Good morning everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video join with me to explore the beauty of Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. Guy, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Nauli si Saido. Timing naman yung parking doon sa sakyan.
Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, a paradise for bird lovers in Dubai. In the wetlands, just meters away from the bustling city of Dubai, you'll find the Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. It's hard to believe you can find tens of thousands of birds in a spot so close to the city. This expansive reserve also serves as a breeding ground each year for crustaceans, mammals and fish. But it is the flamingos that steal the show in winter. Look closer among the mass of pink feathers and you might spot grey herons, great egrets, wreath herons, cormorants, black-winged stilts, sandpipers, osprey and more colourful species of birds. Explore the Cape of the Creek. Ras Al Khor is closely monitored and protected by the Dubai municipality and the sanctuary is fenced off to safeguard the area. However, there are 3 bird hides located on the perimeter of the sanctuary. Essentially, it is a way to allow visitors and nature lovers to admire the birds in their habitat while maintaining the quality of the area for its winged residents. The wetland features a variety of salt flats, intertidal mudflats, mangroves and lagoons for the birds to use as their nests and individual habitats. Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary timings extend from 7:30 am to 5:30 pm during the winter season, and from 6 am to 6 pm between April to September. Part of the reserve is free for the public to access and enjoy. Head to the official website to find the latest information about the wetlands and to plan your visit.
Daw করে জোন দিছা যে জয় দাও তুমি সাল করে বলা করে জোন করে জোন
I don't think I got the writing on Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. It looks like that. Now the new one is coming. They know there's another bat coming. See how they party? There another one is flying. It's late. immediately they move.
Making way for him.
Yeah.
Very nice. You're disciplined there. So the thing is, जो लैंड पे पड़ा रहता है ना, वो खाने को डिफिकल्टी होता है, पानी वाला इजी लगता है.
It's like a dance.
Thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying watching my video. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me to click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button, so that you're updated whenever I upload a video. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. God bless and have a great day.